What is going on, peeps? What is going on, beautiful people of YouTube? And welcome back to another little vlog. Welcome back to another little video. Just because I still want to keep bringing you guys content. I know it's been a week since I dropped a video, but I just been working a lot. Today I'm going to update you a little bit on some of the parts that I ordered for the car that are coming in, and that's going to give me a lot more content to bring to you guys. And some of the parts that I'm installing. I'm on my way to meet with the boys, with Adrian, Andy, and we're going to go for a small little photo shoot. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and let's go ahead and meet up with them. Came in and I was like, where the hell did these guys go? I was actually looking for you guys, and I'm like, they're fucking hiding from me.
Well, we just didn't want to park on that.
No, I was like, oh, they probably went to pee or something, and I'm like, they're crazy leaving their cars open. Yep. Fucking alcoholics here drinking in the back of the gas station.
Yeah.
Too bad they didn't get
side of the gas station.
Oh, the side of the gas station.
That's the back.
Alright guys, we just made it out here. Look at this background. Ooh, amazing, look at that.
Oh, it looks good. Hi-oh.
Look at it, Andy here. And then, you know, we're just holding the back of the Civic with the skateboard. No shocks allowed. Anyway, so we just made it out here, just getting some pictures. And yeah, that's about it for now. I'll give you guys some nice time lapse of what's behind me, because that's amazing. Basically what Adrian's doing is, it's a technique for photo shooting. It's called light painting. What is it that it kind of just does? Like it
helps you illuminate the car in a long exposure.
That's basically it. Well, you get some really nice shots. Actually, if you go to my Instagram, you'll see the pictures. If you go to Andy's Instagram, you'll see the pictures. But we're using Andy's cars right now, which has an amazing background. Just kind of want to show you the background. Bro, it looks amazing, bro. You look amazing. That looks really good. Let me show you guys.
Everything looks so like creamy. Yeah.
Go back so I can see it.
You can print this.
Show it.
Print you.
That's kind of what you get.
Let me do one like this stuff.
I'll show you guys in a minute. The little car is there. Little skateboard. Yep. So I'm sorry for the wind, there's a lot of wind noise, and I haven't put the saddle for the wind, but you see Adrian there doing the light painting. If you want to just find out more info, you can just kind of DM Adrian. Blow up his guy's art. Yeah, blow up his DM and
put my phone number in there.
Blow up his DM and he'll teach you how to do it real quick. It's no big deal. But yeah, I just love the background. This is Miami for you guys. This is amazing.
Yeah, it's a little better.
Just gonna move the cars real quick. We're gonna get ready to do Adrian's car, and then I guess we'll do mine. You know, mine's not really low or anything, but I kind of wanted to get a really nice shot for the Instagram. Yeah, and these came out really nice. Coming back with Adrian's, and I'm gonna do Adrian's now real quick. By the way, this 240 is still for sale, guys. So if you want to talk to Adrian on the Instagram, you can hit him up if you're looking to maybe get some info on it, and he'll give you all the listing and everything you need, and you know, price or whatnot. No cut corners on this car. This car has all legit parts. Big baby. That's one couple of parts related to different shells. So this Corvette just pulled up, and I'm looking at it, and I see it moving. I'm like, what the hell is that? Like, is that my eyes playing tricks on me? And I noticed that it is on bags. That's a Corvette, whatever it is, C5, C6, and it's in bags. Look at that, it's on the floor. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, so we're just sitting here. Adrian's doing still doing his painting for his car. Just trying to get some of the focus, and I'm just sitting down watching the masterpiece come alive.
Writing names in the air.
He's writing names in the air.
Oh,
and I'm just watching the cars are passing by like crazy. Just kind of sitting here watching the masterpiece.
thank you. Thanks for waiting. Appreciate it.
Kind of just cars passing by and not letting us work. But then again, we're in the middle of the street. So, anyways, wanted to talk to you guys about some of the updates on the parts on the car.
I was trying to write.
Coilovers are coming in.
Turbo kits.
About a CTR strut bar, and I got some speed factory bolts that are also coming in, and I'm going to be installing that too. So, you know, it's just going to have a little bit of sweet beer, man. Sweet beer, man. So yeah, it's going to have a little bit of a change soon. You know, like I said, coilovers are coming in. The speed factory titanium bolts, the burn tips are coming in also. And I want to show you guys kind of like in a small Insta video on those little speed start bolts, because they're very nice. I haven't seen anyone install them yet, and I want to see how they look on the car. I also bought a strut bar, CTR strut bar, and I'm waiting for that to come in too, just to kind of make it nice. I want to paint the car, but I'm kind of waiting to see what paint, what color I'm get, what color I'm gonna get. Maybe championship white. So I kind of want to go for that truck look, the beefy tires, the Canyon look or whatever. But I want to also give it a twist of a CTR. I want to have kind of that CTR look with like a Canyon kind of mixed to it. And yeah, that's basically it for now. You know, just waiting on those three things to come in, and we'll go from there. You know, still got a lot of work to do on the car. Still want to do a lot of suspension, and mainly for this car, the goal is going to be a lot of suspension work. That's just something I want to do. And that's about it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe, it goes a long way. And yeah, let's keep going. Let's take a couple of more pictures. Definitely, my car is going to be up next, and then just going to head home because we got to wake up early to go to work tomorrow. So, see you guys. Alright guys, what I do is Airborne. Remember Airborne from '96? Remember that movie? We're trying to do like an Airborne.
Is that the one with rollerblades?
Yeah.
I love that movie.
Airborne? That's my ass.
That's the one when the Spanish guy gets cut off and he goes, "Tramposo!" God, I wish he would have fallen. Paid for it. Mitchell! Oh my god! Dude, TBT, I can't believe you remember that shit.
How about Adrian here with the light painting?
Just focus on the car, like on the door panel.
Good.
Okay,
focus up. Trying to get a focus point here.
Oh my god, this guy's gonna fucking come out. Are you? I swear to God, if he comes this way.
Alright guys, so basically we just finished doing the photo shoot, the light painting photo shoot. I really couldn't record much because some people got there and they started playing like some music and I just didn't want to get copyrighted. So I hope you guys like it. Those pictures came out amazing. You can go to my Instagram and check out more of the pictures that Adrian took. Unfortunately, you know, the car's not lowered and it doesn't have a paint job, but with the pictures it looks very, very, very nice. We got a cop right here, just passed him. Hopefully I don't get stopped for driving and vlogging, which I don't condone. Please guys, don't do that. But anyways, we're getting out of Key Biscayne right now, and it just came out really good. Light painting, Photoshop came out amazing on the way home. Hope you guys like this. Subscribe, it goes a long way. Just a small little vlog just to keep the content rolling. Remember, all the other parts are coming through on a very short time, so we'll definitely get some more install videos and more content for you guys. Appreciate you guys. Take care and have yourself a good day.